TikTok tutorial video. In practical research tips.
So, hi guys! Welcome to my TikTok tutorial video. So, before ko magsugod, magpalaila sa ako dahil si Elmer de Asis Miyaki. But para nubo na lang, you can call me Nel or Tuto for short. So, for today's video, we will gonna talk about types of test questions. So again, what is test questions? So, basahan natin rin. Test questions are quality of a test determined by questions. Writing a good test questions is therefore crucial to evaluating students at all levels. Typically, test items fall into two categories, the subjective and the objective. So, nado siya duha ka categories. So, pero karon mag-focus ata sa tatlo ka types of test questions, which is the recall, open-ended, and recognition. So, unsa man ta kung pangbasa? Unsa gid ay ang test questions. So, para di na ta maglibog-libog na ko sulisod pagsabot atong makikibasa kay tapos ko pasabot. Dili lang sa akong own opinion. So, base. So, para sa ako ang test question is kana ng mga ginahatag sa inyong mga teachers nga mga test or quiz nga ay mga identification or multiple choice test questions ko no para sa akon di ay kato mga questions or mga test exam or quiz nga ginahatag sa inyong mga teachers multiple choice identification or enumeration. So first in our list is si recall. So under recall, we have three subtypes under sa iyaha: si close test, identification of enumeration. So una ta kay no recall sa kung saan siya. So, in recall questions, you have to remember something or something has to be removed. Proceed ta sa close test types of subtype under recall. So, close test is a test which are asked to supply words have been removed from the passage in order to measure one ability to comprehend a text. So for example is si blank kay nanguyab kang Tapulano. So unang example sa close test na siya blank nga dapat imong i-answeran. Wala siya choices like siya sa multiple choice. So another example is si Tapulan na gisakitan o blank tungod kay nagkaon siya og lata nga prutas. Muna vlogging ka corny. So muna si close test. So proceed na sa identification. So identification is the action or process of identifying someone or something or the fact of being identified. For example is what type of recall questions that ask to supply words that have been removed or deleted from the test. So dere wala siya blank pero ga-question good siya pero wala siya choices. For example, what type of recall question that asks for supply the words? So answer diri is si close test kay kuan man na siya murag keywords nga para imong ma-remember kung unsa to siya nga types of questions or types of test questions. Mga kuan diri ang mga students or kailangan ang ga-answer with sila og kuan. The participant will provide answer to the given question using pure recall. So dapat pure recall mo na siya murag keywords nga imong ma-recall gid siya nimo. So, proceed ta kay enumeration. Enumeration is a complete orderly listing of all items in a collection. The term of commonly used in mathematics and computer science to refer to listing of all of the elements of a test. So, for example, is list all the subtype under recall, revision, and open-ended. So the participant will do is to list down the answer. Okay siya. So, ano siya guys? Kinangon niya ilistong yang ginapangayo sa question. Ano mo ang tanan nga subtype ato nga test question under recall and recognition and open-ended. So ano siya pasunod siya dili wala siya blank or basta ingat mo siya. So proceed ta kay recognition. Mo to siya. So mo to nadya pun tayo tulo ka subtype under kay recognition, si multiple choice, si matching o si unggoy. Si multiple choice, matching o dichotomous. So ato ni silang isa-isahon kung unsa ni sila. So let's proceed to multiple choice. First multiple choice. So ato isa masahon first. Multiple choice is a form of an objective assessment which is represent our respondents are asked to select only correct answer from the choices offered as a list. For example, is which of the following is an or is one of the subtype under cognition? So A, identification, B, close test, or D, C, identification, or D, multiple choice. So multiple choice, I believe ngita ka imong kuanan pilihan og tarong kung nasabtan gud nimo tong questions nga akong gihatag, magpili ka to sa A to C na mga choices. So proceed. Si matching is an objective test consisting of two sets of items to be matched with each other for a specific attribute. For example, ani is di ba ato ko toy duha ka set, si column A o si column B. Sa kay column A, three na ko si date. Number 1 data, si 2 is respondents, 3 is the sample. Sa column B, sa iyang number 1 dito na butang is si participants, o number 2 representative, and si C is information. So dire kinahanglan nimo siya butangan og line or imo siya i-connect kung asa ang tama nga answer niya. So for example, ni is si data. So unsa man siya si data. So imo siya i-connect dire kay unsa si data, unsa na siya si data, participants ba na, representative, or information. Dara nang mangita ka sa tulo o asay kuan niya answer or asay murag basta nga na. So data is kuan man gyud na siya information kay data man. Number 2 respondents. So si respondents unsa man na siya mga participants. So dire ka kay number 1 sa column B. Sa number 3 si sample, kuan unsa man na siya, klaro kayo, si sample is kay representative. So mao to guys, nasa sa matching, i-match lang siya nimo si column A o si column B. I-match nimo ang kung kuan ba, kung basta imo na sila i-match duha nga way nga pag-answer. So moto, so napadi ay the participant will just match the items in a column A to column B. So ito na dichotomous. So si dichotomous daw is are usually used in a survey that asks for a yes yes or no, true or false, fair, unfair, or agree or disagree answers. So diri si dichotomous na siya kuan ra duha ka choices, which is true or false, yes or no, agree or disagree, fair or unfair. So sabot na ninyo ay example sa dichotomous is kuan kaniyo write true or false on the space provided before each number if the statement is correct and false if it's incorrect. So the question is, data collection is the first step in conducting quantitative research. So the participant will choose an answer of two options, which is true or false. So na naman to sa kuan instruction, di ba, mag-write ra kag true if the statement is true, false is if the statement is wrong or incorrect. So one na siya ka-simple si dichotomous. So proceed na sa atong next so dito kay next atong last nga test question, which is open-ended. So come on, let's talk about it. So si open-ended daw kay it allows the respondents more freedom in their response, expressing their thoughts and insights. Writing essay, writing test, and other performance-based and test. There is only two subtypes. There na siya duha ra ka subtypes under open-ended test questions. Non-performance-based, obviously performance-based. Non-performance-based, when the participants provide the answer in writing or orally. Dili kay non-performance-based, when the participant provided the answer in writing or orally. So dili mo lagi to mag-isay ra ka diri sa non-performance-based. Murag dili ka mag-perform with which is mag-kuan lang ka magsulat or kuan pa-oral kasi mo teacher so bira nimo siya or speech mo nga na or di ko sure kung ang speech diri. So mo na siya si non-performance based isay ra sulat ra ka diri. And last but not the least is performance based, when the participants will perform a task where they are expected to prepare a presentation or within works. For example, present a role play, conducting an interview on a student habits and among students. So there is a performance based sa kuan ko lang sa word pa lang performance based. Mag-perform good ka, kinahanglan gid siya o kuan siya action gid siya nimo i-perform gid siya nimo like role play or basta mga role play sa performance based siya. All for today's video. Unta nag-enjoy mo kung naanang mo nasabdan sa ako mga kitang yaw-yaw diri balag. Mara to guys, again thank you for watching, and this is my TikTok tutorial in practical research 2 by Nelson Amas. And again, I am Nilmer de Asis Miyagi, and thank you and goodbye. See you.